Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I feel it's very important to every woman, even my queens out there, to have a tutorial on how to slay your eyebrows. Here in the bottom I'm going to leave everything on what products I used, so you guys could know, and other products that I used in the past too, so you guys can know and where to buy them and all that. Alright guys, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills size 12 brush. I really like this brush. I know in my last video I mentioned that I was using the Alpha. It's one of my favorite too. Again, I switch around. You can use drugstore product, even high-end products, whatever you feel like and whatever you feel comfortable using in your eyebrows. I'm today gonna go ahead and use high-end product on myself, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it up. And again, everyone has different eyebrows. You know, everyone has like thicker eyebrows, less hair. Me personally, and which is one of my biggest thing ever, I have less hair on this eyebrow than this one. So I always have to go around and play with it and make sure that they look even at the end of the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia Pomade Dipbrow, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the dark brown, and I'm just gonna take a little bit this side. Just take a little bit. I don't take so much because I don't want to go so dark, and I'm gonna go with very light stroke on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go take it. I'm gonna take it, and then I'm gonna just go up, brush it up, just stroke up. It's really soft, because again, I'm not trying to go so heavy on my eyebrows. So I like to start on the bottom as well, make that line right here, because that's pretty much my guide. And again, it's whatever you guys feel comfortable, but I just go ahead and just do the light stroke, and I continue this side. And if you guys need more, I just usually just take it very softly right here, and I always take the end of the cap and take the excess, like whatever is left, because again, if you want to go dark, that's fine, but I like very natural eyebrows. So I just continue, so as you can see, and then here in the front I just go up really slowly, and I just stroke up really. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro, and I'm gonna go with the medium beige, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia size 15. It's a little dirty, but it's a size 15 angle brush, and this is really good, guys. Again, you guys can use any type of brush, whatever you feel comfortable. I use the e.l.f. one too, the angle brush, which is really good too. It's a smaller than this one, but I like it. I feel comfortable with it. So I'm gonna just take a little bit, and always get a shade a little bit lighter than your skin, so you can have like that highlight under your eyebrows. So when you have your makeup down, like you have like that glow going on. So I just take it right under my eyebrows, the concealer. See? And I like to brush it down. And I just like to like bring the concealer down, so I can have like that glow going already. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this petite eye blender. I like to use it for under my eyebrows, and I just want to blend in really good, because you don't want no line either. You want to have it nice and blend, but have that nice glow. Girl, have a nice glow. So I like to just, all right. So I go ahead and take my beauty blenders wet too. So whatever I see that is not matching, I just go ahead and just take it in that, okay? So this is the different, and I can go and brush it up and just have that natural look. And if you see anything else that you're like, oh, I'm missing a spot, go ahead, girl, just fill it in, whatever you're missing in the spot. I see a little spot that's a little empty, so I just go ahead and just fill that in, girl, just fill that in, but very soft. All right, so this is the difference between this eyebrow and obviously this eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eyebrow, and then all right, guys, so this is the final look of my eyebrows. So you can see how I just went very light, not too dark, very like really light stroke with it. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the products that I use for today on this look and on my eyebrows. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, please subscribe. It'll help a lot for me. And don't forget to hit that button so you guys can get some notification that when I post another new video. And comment. Let's talk, guys. This is it.